Skill Byte here. Got myself one of the old Amazon Basics paper shredders, one of the old models, and I got a little problem. The top's come off. It's broke. What do I do? All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with this. All right, so what happens here is there is a little lip right here. That's where you're supposed to lift. However, there's almost no overhang. So people lift and they end up lifting just on the top piece. And you've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that hold it on. And over time they stress and end up breaking like these have. To fix this, first unplug it. Make sure it is not plugged in. Next, the mechanism here, there are 4 slots in the bottom, 2 on each side. You want to make sure it's set all the way down. And it wouldn't hurt to clean this, but you don't actually have to. Now, once this is set all the way down, you take this sensor. Where does that go? That's weird. Well, it actually goes just like that with the tab on the bottom towards the outside. Then you want to put the top on it, and it has these little slots, 2 on each side. Now, I'm missing a rubber piece on this one. That's fine. And oh, this, forgot about that, needs to go right there. So have that there. There. Okay, now here's the deal. It will work just like this. If I plug it in, turn it on, it's going to work. You can feed paper through it. That's not a problem. However, it's still loose. So you got a couple choices. 1, you can leave it like this. 2, you can actually tape it down to hold it better. You can glue it. So if you want to try to glue the lid to this piece here, you'll have to glue it pretty much all around to get it to stay. You can do that. All right, the advanced version. All right, so what we did is we created handles out of duct tape. So we can lift it up and dump it. And all that is a piece of duct tape. Put around through here. Cut that section out so that the shreddings won't, get stuck on it and clog it up. But that's all it is. Just like so. It's not perfect, but it does work. And wait, you're not actually sure it works? Yeah, it works. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.